What I'm going to do now is show you how to change the needle. So turn the needle screw counterclockwise towards you. Just bring the needle straight down. Now, as you're going to see, there's a long groove on one side of the needle, and on the other side there's a cutout which is called the scarf just above the eye. So the long groove will face out and the cutout, the scarf, will face in. So what I'm going to use is a Gross Beckett 9014 needle regular tip. I'm now going to insert the needle into the needle bar. Note the long groove is facing out and the cutout, which is called the scarf, is facing towards the back. Also note, just above the needle bar eyelet, there is a hole in the needle bar. So you can see when the needle is all the way up in its right position. Now turn the screw clockwise until it is snug. Don't over tighten this screw.